Intangible property is a property without a physical existence. Examples of intangible property include patents, patent applications, trade names, trademarks, service marks, copyrights, trade secrets. Some intangible property may have a physical form, such as stocks or bonds, but others, like intellectual property, do not. Because intangible property is not physical, it can be difficult to value, but it is still considered a form of property. For example, a company may have a trademark for their logo. This trademark is intangible property because it cannot be touched or seen, but it is still valuable to the company because it helps customers identify their products. Similarly, a writer may have a copyright for their book. This copyright is intangible property because it is not a physical object, but it still gives the writer exclusive rights to their work.